Hey, what's up everyone? This is Corey the Camera Coach, and today is another photo tip. And this one is another one that's along the lines of your perspective or viewpoint. And this time we're talking about being eye level. Okay, and so eye level basically just means camera is eye level with the subject, and so that naturally means we're talking about people, animals, those sort of things there. And the reason for that is because this creates the mutual connection where it doesn't say, hey, I'm above you, or hey, you're below me, those sort of things where like a bird's eye view or a worm's eye view would actually produce. So if you're looking for something to really connect with your subject, a photo that really shows their personality and those sort of things, a lot of times you're going to probably want this sort of viewpoint right here, where it's eye level, it says, hey, we're just talking, we're just in this together, and then you're working in a way to kind of get them to express themselves, kind of relax, right, and get in the flow of posing. But overall, this is a really good one, especially for those smaller people, the littles, right, the kids and everything, and your pets. If you can get eye level with them, you can get some really interesting looks and something that's a little bit different than just your normal viewpoint, which you're normally looking down at those, right? So if you have any questions about just specifics on this one, I think it's pretty self-explanatory, but I'd love to see any samples, hear any questions you have, and we can kind of go from there. Okay? All right, so that's all for now. This is Corey signing off, and I'll be back a little bit later for another photo tip. Bye.